In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Powered by Getresponse. If you have a Getresponse page, form, or landing page, and you are seeing the Powered by Getresponse badge, you can remove it from your account settings as long as you are on a paid plan. On free accounts, Getresponse keeps that branding turned on, so the switch I am going to show you may be unavailable. I will point that out as we go. Start by logging in to your Getresponse account and looking at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile area there. This may appear as a small icon, an avatar, or your account name. Click on that profile area to open the account menu. A drop-down menu will appear with a few account-related options. From that menu, select Manage Account. This takes you to the settings section where you can control different parts of your Getresponse account. Once you are on the Manage Account page, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where Getresponse lists different settings categories. Look down the list until you find an option labeled Getresponse Badge. Click on Getresponse Badge to open the badge and branding settings. On this screen, you should see a switch that controls whether the Getresponse badge is displayed. To remove the Powered by Getresponse branding, toggle that switch to the OFF position. When it is off, it typically turns gray, which is a quick visual confirmation that the badge has been disabled. If you are on a free plan and you cannot turn the switch off, that is expected. In that case, you would need to upgrade to a paid plan to remove the badge, since the option is only available for paid accounts. After turning the badge off, give it a moment, then check the page or asset where you previously saw the Powered by Getresponse text. If it is still showing, refresh your browser or open the page in a private window to avoid a cached version. Also confirm you adjusted the badge setting for the correct account if you manage more than one. And that is all there is to it.